Oppo's Find X series tends to deliver the best-looking flagship phones of the year while also bringing some impressive core features. Now, a new leak may have dished out some of the key Oppo Find X6 Pro specs. Frequent tipster Yogesh Brar has tweeted a list of apparent Find X6 Pro specs, and the phone definitely looks like a premium-level offering. Expect a 6.7-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED screen, Samsung E6, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, and a 5000 mAh battery. It's also believed that the phone will offer 100 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging capabilities. Meanwhile, Brar claims that the phone could arrive with a 50 megapixels main camera, 50 megapixels ultra-wide shooter, and a 50 megapixels telephoto camera with an unspecified zoom factor. Oppo will also apparently offer the MariSilicon X2 imaging neural chip and Hasselblad tuning. The main camera in particular has caught our attention though, as it'll apparently use the 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor seen on the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. This should deliver a shallow depth of field and impressive low-light shooting in theory. Other purported Oppo Find X6 Pro specs include a 32-megapixel selfie camera, Color OS atop Android 13, 8GB or 12GB of RAM, and 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB of storage. Aside from the 1-inch sensor, it certainly looks like Oppo's 2023 flagship is a more iterative upgrade than a massive step up. But we'll need to wait for more details to be certain. Everything we know about the new flagship from Oppo is on your screens. I recommend watching this video where we talk about the best folding phone from Oppo. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.